Welcome to the world of mini wood crafts. From simple accessories to personalized decor pieces, the versatility of wood allows for endless possibilities. As you embark on this crafting journey, you'll not only discover the joy of working with your hands, but also the satisfaction of bringing your ideas to life. As you explore various projects, you'll find that mini wood crafts can be both fun and financially rewarding. These small creations are ideal for selling at local markets, online platforms, or through social media, allowing you to share your passion with others. The beauty of woodworking lies in its accessibility. With just a few basic tools and materials, you can start crafting items that resonate with people. Whether you aim to sell your crafts or simply enjoy the process of making, the skills you develop will enhance your creativity and open doors to new opportunities in the world of handmade goods. Welcome to a fulfilling journey where your imagination and craftsmanship can flourish. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through mini wood crafts. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to kickstart your own crafting projects. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to stay until the end of the video for more exciting tips and techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with fellow crafting enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you more creative content. So let's keep the crafting community thriving together. Simple wooden accessories. Starting with basic wooden accessories is an excellent way to ease into woodworking. Items like keychains or small decorative pieces require minimal tools and can be crafted quickly. These accessories can be personalized with engravings or unique designs, appealing to a broad range of customers looking for functional yet stylish items. Personalized decorative pieces. Once you're comfortable with simple crafts, move on to creating personalized decorative pieces. These can include signs or small plaques that feature names, quotes, or special dates. Personalization adds a unique touch that many buyers appreciate, especially for gifts, making these items ideal for occasions like weddings, anniversaries, or housewarmings. Functional home decor. Crafting functional home decor items is a great next step. Think about creating items like small shelves or organizers that not only enhance a space, but also serve a purpose. These products can appeal to customers looking to improve their home's aesthetics while maintaining practicality, making them popular choices for home improvement enthusiasts. Unique gift items. Focus on developing unique gift items that stand out in the market. Consider themes or trends that resonate with specific demographics, such as gifts for teachers or pet lovers. Offering seasonal or occasion-specific items can also attract customers looking for thoughtful presents, increasing the likelihood of sales during peak gifting seasons. Eco-friendly products. Emphasizing sustainability can set your crafts apart. Using reclaimed wood or eco-friendly materials resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. Highlighting the eco-friendly aspect of your products not only appeals to a growing market, but also reflects a responsible crafting approach, enhancing your brand's image. Seasonal decor. Creating seasonal decorations can lead to repeat sales throughout the year. Items that celebrate holidays or seasonal changes, like festive ornaments or themed decor, can attract customers looking to refresh their homes for various occasions. This strategy keeps your inventory relevant and encourages customers to return for new seasonal offerings. Miniature versions of popular items. Developing miniature versions of popular items can be a fun and creative venture. These smaller crafts often evoke nostalgia and charm, appealing to collectors or those looking for unique decor. Miniatures can also be marketed as gifts, particularly for children or as whimsical additions to home offices. Customizable options. Offering customizable products can significantly enhance their appeal, allowing customers to choose colors, designs, or personalization options can create a strong connection between the buyer and the product. This level of customization can lead to higher customer satisfaction and repeat business, as customers feel they have a stake in the creation process. Focusing on basic home organization solutions can tap into a practical market. Items like small storage boxes or organizers help customers declutter their spaces while adding a touch of style. These products are particularly appealing to those looking to optimize their homes, making them a smart choice for sales. Creative displays. Designing creative display pieces can enhance the attractiveness of your crafts. These items can serve dual purposes, acting as both functional displays and decorative elements. For example, a decorative stand for photos or small plants can appeal to customers looking to showcase their favorite items stylishly. Ensure that some of your crafts are lightweight and portable, which makes them easy to transport and gift. Items like small trinkets or pocket-sized organizers can be particularly appealing for customers who frequent craft fairs or markets. This portability helps broaden your audience, as people may be more inclined to purchase items that are easy to carry. Pairs or sets. Consider offering items in pairs or sets, which can encourage customers to buy more at once. Bundling products not only provides value but also creates a cohesive look that can enhance the shopping experience. For example, pairing coasters with a matching serving tray can attract buyers looking for coordinated home decor. Focusing on simplicity and elegance in your designs can attract a broad audience. Minimalist crafts often fit various decor styles, making them versatile and appealing. Items that embrace clean lines and natural finishes can resonate with customers looking for understated beauty in their home decor. Child-friendly options. Including child-friendly options in your product line can diversify your audience. Crafts that are safe and fun, such as toys or decor for kids' rooms, can attract parents who prioritize non-toxic and durable products. These options can be particularly popular at craft fairs or markets, where families are shopping together. Seasonal market trends. Staying aware of seasonal market trends is crucial for successful crafting. Aligning your offerings with current trends can help boost sales, as customers are often looking for trendy items to decorate their homes or give as gifts. Regularly researching market demands and adapting your product line accordingly can keep your business thriving. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it resonated with you, and share it with friends or fellow craft enthusiasts who might find it helpful as well. Together, we can foster a vibrant crafting community and inspire each other to explore new ideas and techniques. Your engagement encourages us to keep creating valuable content. So thank you once again for being part of our journey.